everyone. Hello, Eman Loves. Hello, Jeff. Hello, Roland. Magandang gabi. Hello, everyone. Hello, Maligan. Hello, everyone. Hello, Kuya Brad. Hello, Marge. Hello. Hello, McCoy. Thank you so much for the gifts. Grabe, meron agad. Thank you so much. So, sino ko ngayon, guys? Frances. I am a Frances. Thank you, Ate Miyaka. Thank you, Maligan, for the heart signal. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Ano, Princess Fiona? Sinasabi ko sa inyo, pinagtitripan niyo ko. Hello, Your Majesty. Hello, my name is Blurry Face. Thank you, Neo Kuroshi. Kasi Frances ako, guys. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much po. Frances ako. Ayan. So, ayan. Sige. Stop ko muna yung music. Kasi, sasabihin ako sa inyo. Thank you po, Maligan, for the hand heart. Ayan. So, guys, kung nakikita nyo, we have a goal here. Meron po tayong goal here. So, ayan. Sana tulungan nyo po ako. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng gifts. So, eto na nga. So, let me introduce myself first. Hello, Eman Loves! I'm Emanol 48 Match, your darling with a golden voice, who moves with such poise. Ayun. Hello po sa inyong lahat. So, this live is for the Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie Campaign 2025. So, ayan. First of all, before we start, I want to thank all my supporters, including Mahjong Official, and to everyone who appreciates me. So, ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. To those, thank you so much, Zil, for the paper crane. Thank you so much po sa mga nakaka-appreciate sa akin, sa personality ko, and sa talent ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. So, I hope you guys will support me. I hope you will all support me. And yeah, my dedication for this has brought me to where I am right now. So, ayan, thank you everyone. Actually, kinakabahan nga ako. Sabi ko, I hope my live will go well. So, ayan, sana, ayan, halatang di prepared ang sobra. Hindi ako nag-prepare, guys. Actually, kakagising ko lang eh. Good morning, guys! Woke up like this. Hindi. Ayun, thank you so much, guys. Also sa Wish Bus. Meron kaming Wish Bus tomorrow. So I hope you guys will support me. I hope you guys will support us. Thank you so much for all the gifts, everyone. Ayan, so magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nabubulol pa ako sa sobrang energetic ng batang to. Okay, so hello sa inyong mga nanonood. So, I think makaka-live naman ako after ng campaign namin, mamaya. So, pwede rin kayo manood ng live ko. Doon ko lang gagawin yung mga requesting songs. Pero for now, I have a, agenda. Wow! Agenda! Thank you, Maligan, for the galaxy! Thank you so much, everyone! So, I have an agenda? Okay. So, may agenda ako ngayon. So, limited lang ang time natin, guys. So, I hope na natin to. Mag-compromise. Compromise! Ayan. Sana magawa natin lahat ng nasa aking agenda. Ayan. So, without further ado, meron akong hinandang performance sa inyo. Nag-warm up ako. May hinanda akong performance sa inyo. Thank you, Ate Miyaka. So, meron akong hinandang performance sa inyo. Short performance lang to, pero maraming nagre-request. So, I am so sorry, guys, if this won't be perfect, but I will try my best. And I know that you guys will be proud of me. Ayan. So, di ko na sasabihin ko ano. Pero ayan. Okay. So this is my first performance. Wow. Bakit ang reverb? Okay.
Tumingin sa langit ng umaga, sa araw kung tawagin ay ngayon, umaasang malalampasan ng may ngiti, tahimik na hinihiling. Kung minsan pumapatak ang ulan, ngunit luha ay umaapaw, mga araw na di umayon sa ating plano, bukas pagsisipagan ko. Pangarap naging inaasam, isang pangako na malaya, nagkagawa lahat aking ninanais, ito ang aking hangarin. Buhay ay eroplano, papel, dala ang pag-ibig, ito'y lumilipad. Magtiwala sa sarili at ika'y umaya, lahat titingala sa'yo, di man bihasa sa mga darating. Bigla kong namala, yan ako'y namayagpag na, mabigyan ng lakas ng loob at pag-asa, tayo'y magsama't magsaya. 35 araw.
Ayun, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Sana nagustuhan niyo yun. Sana nagustuhan niyo. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Thank you, Ate Pro. Thank you so much, Ate Pro, for the hand heart. Thank you so much, Buddy Zone, for the paper crane. Thank you so much, everyone, for the gifts. Oh my gosh, I am so overwhelmed. I am so happy tonight. I'm so happy tonight. Thank you so much, Buddy Zone, for the paper crane. So, yeah, guys, I am so overwhelmed tonight. Hindi tayo pwedeng umiyak. Marami tayong performance. So, I am planning to, have a mini game. So, I'm not sure if aabot tayo sa time kasi limited yung time. So I think, ihuli na natin ang mini games. Hindi natin susunodin. Actually guys, kung makikita nyo dito talaga, meron talaga akong plan 1, plan 2, plan 3. Kabado talaga ako eh. Thank you so much po for the rose. So, mamaya na tayo with mini games para ma-compromise yung time. Wow! Para ma-maximize ba yung time? So, Ayan. Kamustahin ko muna kayo. Hindi guest the drawing. Hindi tayo magkaganon. Ayan, kamusta naman kayo? Sana nagustuhan nyo yung performance ko. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Ano po nakain ni Jewel? Ano sabihin nyo na naman, ba't ang bait ko ngayon? Hello, Michael Angelo. Hello, Ivory Meow. Hello, guys. I hope you guys will vote for me sa GF voting and dito sa TikTok. I hope you guys will send gifts. Thank you so much. I hope you guys will help me with this goal. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mahal ko kayo lahat. Especially Mahjong Official. Thank you so much. Ayan. Salamat po sa TikTok. Ayan. So, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Boom, karaka-raka. EFC na agad tayo. Ganyan ang dapat. Since this is the Pag-ibig Fortune Cookie 2025 campaign, magpe-perform tayo ng Fortune Cookie. Sobrang bait ko ngayon, guys. Huwag niyo na akong asarin. Go. So, magpe-perform tayo ng Fortune Cookie. At hindi lang to kanta. Meron ding sayaw. Go! Okay. Ayan. Sana magustuhan niyo yung performance ko, guys. Pasensya na dahil ako naiirita dito sa earphones ko. Pero, hala, nakita niyo na yung outfit ko. Nakita niyo na yung outfit ko. Oh my gosh, ang outfit ko. Wait lang. I'll move this. So, ayan. Go! Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Go! you so much, guys. Thank you for all the gifts, everyone. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Whew. Whew. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Bonizon. Thank you so much, Rob. Thank you so much, Mariana Jackson. Thank you, Amaho. Thank you, Mariana Jackson. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys. Thank you so much po. Salamat po. Thank you so much po sa inyo. Salamat po sa lahat ng gifts. Thank you so much po. Whew. Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Whew. Salamat po sa inyo. So, hindi natatapos doon ang performance ko, pero magpapahinga muna. Magchikahan muna tayo. Thank you, G. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Inom lang water, ha? Thank you so much, G. Thank you so much. Tremaine, thank you so much for the gifts. Hello. I'm not Arian. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Ay! Thank you, Squibs! Thank you so much for the puppet kisses. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ivan Cyrus. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung performance ko. Sorry, medyo mahirap sumayaw ng naka-earphones. Pero ayan. Salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much po. Hindi ka talaga, darling mo na go. Go! Thank you so much, Lawrence, for the heart me. Oh, so meron akong ano dito eh. Meron akong plan. Thank you, Rob, for the heart signal. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, meron akong isa pang performance. Ipe-perform ko na to kasi gusto ko eh. Hindi, ipe-perform ko na to kasi alam ko magugustuhan nyo rin. So, wait lang. So, thank you so much, Ivan Cyrus. Guys, we have the go here. Thank you so much po. So, yan. Tap the screen, everyone. Tap the screen for this princess. Charis. Tap the screen for this princess. Charis. Ayan. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam dyan, nagpe-play po ako ng ukulele. Sorry guys. Nagpe-play po ako ng ukulele. And may hinanda akong performance para sa inyong lahat. So, sana magustuhan nyo to. So, I know, yung iba sa inyo hindi pa alam na nag-ukulele ako. Pero, ayun. Thank you so much, Ate Miyaka. Ate Miyakang, you're here. Thank you so much. Okay. So, sana magustuhan niyo yung performance ko. Sorry guys, medyo kinakabahan pa ako eh. Tulad ng panahon, nagbabago, sikat ng araw, maliwanag ang pag-ibig, lahat ay nasa sinyo. Sabay sa ihip ng hangin, di ko namamalayan, ako'y biglang napapaawit na. Nakatago sa isip mga lumang alaala, nakalimutan na pati ang ating favorite song. Pero bakit itong kanta ay dumating biglaan sa aking isipan? Ang pag-ibig ay di tumitigil sa aking isipan. Pinaghahandaan, parang bumalik kahapon sa radio lang. Sira na puro ingay na ang naririnig, ikaw ang melody. Di malimutang harmony. Damdaming di ko nasabi,
sabay kumakanta sa hit song. Ikaw ang melody, melody, di malimutan. Harmony, harmony, damdaming di ko nasabi. Nagsisisi lubos ang aking dibdib, ang aking melody, melody, kantang hindi ko malilimutan. Kahit na alaala bumabalik sa puso ko, ito ang melody, melody, makaalala mo pa rin, kakantahin mo pa rin ba kapag naaalala ang kahapon natin? Kakantahin mo pa rin ba kung kahapon bumabalik sa narinig ng melody?
Ayun. Sana nagustuhan niyo yun, guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo. Alright, okay. Di ko pala nalagyan ng echo. Pero go lang. Alright, okay. Thank you so much, Ate Pro, for the gifts. Thank you everyone sa lahat po ng nagbibigay ng gifts. Sorry, di ko na kayo naiisa-isa. Pero maraming salamat. Ate Pro, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the gifts, guys. Thank you, Pietro. Thank you so much, John Kevin. Thank you so much, Ivan Cyrus. Thank you, guys. Thank you po sa mga gifts. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So, dahil medyo may time pa naman tayo, what if mag-ano tayo? What if mag-truth or dare? Truth or dare? Okay. First, wala pa guys, oh. First two hand hearts, sila yung mag-truth or dare. I mean, sila yung mag-a-ask or magbibigay ng dare. Kung may magbibigay, pero kung wala, okay lang din. Magpe-perform ako. Thank you so much po. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much, guys. So, ayan. Mag-truth or dare tayo. Backflip. Hey guys, truth or dare na na pangmadalian lang. Yes, kinanta ko na po yung fortune cookie. So, pangmadaliang truth or dare lang to, guys, ha? Yung hindi magko-consume ng maraming time. Thank you so much. Thank you sa nag-compliment ng makeup ko. Maraming salamat. Ay guys, pag kaya pa ng time, ang outro natin, fortune cookie ulit. So, go. Pag kaya ba? Pagluto ng palabo. Okay. Siguro mga hanggang 8:38. If wala pang hand heart, mag-proceed tayo sa aking performance. Go! Cheres. Performance! Ang taas ng tono. Thank you so much, Alan. Hello, Tita Jen. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Thank you, Stormwolf. I know, man. Wala nang boo. Thank you so much for the rose. Thank you so much. Okay. Come on, baby. Balikan mo to na. Okay po. Sige, buddy zone. Wait, thank you so much, guys. Sa lahat na. Thank you, Squips. Ayan, nag-send ng heart. Okay. Truth or dare? Dare. Kasi matapang ako eh. Oh my
gosh, thank you so much, Blackjack21, for the giraffe. Hala, thank you so much po. Salamat po. Thank you so much.
Okay, sige, dahil dyan there. Sige, mag-dare lang kayo guys. Para hindi po masyadong blurred? Totoo, blurred yung ano ko guys. Ipadala ko yun eh. Okay, Gab. Blurred ako? We? Hala. Ayan, so kung may dare kayo, asan na yung dare? Yung hindi mo siya magko-consume ng time, guys, ah. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng gifts, everyone. Thank you so much for the giraffe. Thank you, Blackjack21, for the giraffe. No way, Manda. Magko-consume ng time. Yes, guys, nasa wish bus po ako. So, anong dare? Anong dare? Here or there? Here or there? Waka-waka? Waka-waka? Sige. Sasayawin ko yung waka-waka pero chorus lang. To call a random person? Naku, bawal po ata sa live yun. Baka mapagalitan tayo. Waka-waka? O sige, waka-waka daw. Waka-waka! Grabe! Okay.
Choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, oh, and if you fall, get up, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sangalewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh. This time for Africa.
Yan! Akin na. Akin na yan. Akin na yun! Salamat. Belly dancer. Belly dancer! Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. So, hindi natatapos doon ang lahat. Walang pahinga-pahinga to. Then, dito natatapos ang lahat. Dahil meron akong pang malupitang performance for you guys. So, meron akong malupitang performance for you guys. Thank you so much, Buddy Zone, for the I love you. Okay. Eto. May performance ako para sa inyo. Ayun. Thank you so much, Angel, for the legend chain. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Angel, for the legend chain. Okay. Thank you so much po. Okay. Na. Whew. Go. Thank you so much, Ivan Cyrus. Ayan, go. Yes.
Shake that body like a nail cat, but I can give it to you all the time. Shake that booty like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive. Oh,
You're waiting for that. Oh, step, hold up, sway your back.
see anybody could be good to you. You need a bag out to blow your mind.
Bang, bang,
Into the groove, I
rubbish mouth, but don't say a thing. See anybody could be good to you. You need a bag out of your mind. Bang, bang into the room. I know you want it, bang, bang all over you. I'll let you have it. What a minute, let me take you there. What a minute, bang, bang, that goes so hard. I know you want it, back, back, seat on my car. I'll let you have it. What a minute, let me take you there. What a minute, take you. Hell's West Coast cutaways, phrase in a ball, and sick food, trouble is out. Oh, so when you cut away, we don't let it be dipping in a pile, please go. No, get a say good and stupid, I will go right on the edge of that cat. Now, then my woman and my cooking and queen, you can dump it up, prominent. Is the Jesse and Nori? If they test me, very sorry. Rod is up like a Harley, then pull up in this Ferrari. And if we're hanging with bang, fuck up on ringing, it's like it. And karaoke, never get the mic, so sing it. G to the A to H G to R. Go. See anybody coming to you? You need a bag and a play on mine. Bang, bang, into the room. Hi, bang, bang, all over you. I'll let you have it. What a minute, let me take you back. What a minute, bang, bang, that goes so hard. I know you want it, back, back, seat on my car. I'll let you have it. What a minute, let me take you back. What a minute, bang, bang, into the room. I know you want it, bang, all over you. I'll let you have it. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang, there goes your heart. I know you want it, back, back, sit on my car. I'll let you have it. What a minute, let me take you back. What a minute, take you. Parang sakit sa panganon. Ha? Ala, may kita sa background. May kita sa background na. Thank you so much, Angel, for the confetti. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gifts. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So, ayan. Alright. Thank you, Pew Pew. Thank you, Pew Pew, for the head heart. Nasobrang sakit. Hala, grabe. Thank you so much po. Thank you for the rose. Nako. Angas musta. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Magnum. Thank you, Buddhism. Thank you, Gab. Salamat po. Salamat po sa inyong lahat, guys. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ano lang ako, water. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng nagsisend ng gift, guys. We have the goal here, so thank you so much. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Background music muna natin ang PFC. PFC! PFC! Ayan. Royal? Naku, wala na tayong time eh. May isa pa akong performance eh. Thank you so much, Magnum. So, magkwentuhan muna tayo dahil mauubos ang oras natin. Kaya may isa pa akong performance. Pero magkwentuhan muna tayo. Actually, guys, kinakabahan ako kanina. Pero ngayon, nawala na yung kaba ko. Kasi, syempre, nakapag-perform na ako. Thank you so much po. Frances po ako ngayon. Salamat po, Frances po ako ngayon. Ako po si Frances. Totoo ba na 1 pad na 5-1 ka lang? Secret. Secret yarn. May after party ba? May after party ba? Dipindi. Depende, guys. Kasi I have, wish boss. Nga pala. Guys, everyone, so nasa wish bus kami tomorrow. Catch us at wish bus. And sana supportahan nyo kami. Ayun, thank you so much for 200k likes. Thank you so much. Tama, 6-footer ako. Tama. Hindi ko po alam if magla-live ako mamaya kasi meron akong wish bus tomorrow. Pero kung kaya naman, go. Anim pa niya, sobra. See you sa wish bus. Punta kayo? Punta kayo? Punta kayo? Hello. Hello, Zara. Hello, thank you so much for all the gifts. Thank you so much for the hand heart, Zara. Thank you so much po for the hand heart. Thank you so much. Hello, thank you so much, Zara, for the hand heart. Thank you so much po. Kamusta naman kayo? Kamusta naman kayo? Paano para kay Zoro? Ako, may isang performance ako eh. Gusto niyo ba? Sige, gawin na natin to. Gawin na natin ang isa kong performance. Sana magustuhan niyo. Golden? Hindi golden eh. Parang mas, powerful. Powerful sa golden.
Change of
Ay,
plans.
kanina pa pala ako naka-reverb. Di niyo ko pinapaalala. Di niyo ko pinaalalahan. Ay, flex ko nga lang pala, guys. Princess, Power of Love. Hindi Power of Love, hindi upuan. Alam niyo na ba?
Hold up, boy, take the pow pow. I ain't a chick to walk me hands around town. Just cause I party, whoop, down sound. What's a man, I'm never gonna take a lie down, baby. Oh, I'm a machine when I do it. I be catching fire, gasoline when I do it, yeah. Just cause I party, whoop, down sound. What's a man, I'm never gonna take a lie down. You're the man. I got the power. You like rain. When I make it shower. You should know I'm the one who's in control. I'll let you come take the wellness, you don't forget. Yeah. Who got the power? I got the power. I got the power. Hold up. I'm eclipse easy, tic tac boom like gasoline. Yeah, they call me Lamborghini. Cause I know just what I want. Says it's a 0 to a 100. My body make it start. Subject as you push the button. Cause somebody be coming first. Yeah. Oh, I'm a machine when I do it. I be catching fire, gasoline when I do it. Just cause I'm pocket, whoop, down sound. Not to me, I'm never gonna take a lie down. You're the man. I got the power. You like rain. I'll make it shower. You should know I'm the one who's in control.
Ayo'y nag-jojo. Charis. Sari-sari, lumalabas yung tunay na ako. Ay, ito yung tunay na ako. Ay. Ayun. Thank you so much po, Sorororo for the Galaxy. Thank you so much po, Sorororo for the Galaxy. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Ang dami. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po, Sorororo for the Galaxy. Oh my gosh, thank you so much po. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po for the Galaxy. Dahil dyan, magpe-perform pa tayo. Magpe-perform pa tayo. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Oh my gosh, thank you so much po. Ang dami, sobra. Thank you so much po for the Galaxy. Thank you so much po, Zororo. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Okay, magpe-perform pa tayo. Dahil maraming nagre-request. Madaming nagre-request dito sa akin, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, Zororo, for the gifts. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Okay. Dahil maraming nagre-request dito. Hours ago, I was alone to a jam. Cause I can't give him the throne. I didn't know how to believe. I was aware that I'm meant to be a live to life. Try to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a problem child, cause I got too wild, but that's how I'm getting paid. Could have seen you stage, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I wanna be. We're dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe. We're going up, 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 it's how we move. You know together we're going, gonna be golden. Oh, up, 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 without voices. You wanna catch us wanted. Oh, gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I wanna be. Oh, our time to lose, no lies, that's who I wanna be. Thank you every day. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Thank you so much. So, I have 4 minutes left. May hindi nakaabot ng PFC. So, PFC ulit tayo. Thank you so much po, Zororo. Thank you every day for the Galaxy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much po for all the gifts. Thank you so much for the TikTok. Okay. Mag-PFC ulit tayo kasi maraming hindi nakaabot. Okay, I want them to see my performance, so go. Ilang minutes na lang, guys. Kaya natin to. Go. Thank you so much for all the gifts, everyone. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Okay. Let's go! Everyone! On it, get it! Ha! On it, get it! Ha! On it, get it! On it, get it! Ha! Kahit alam mong ikaw ay gusto ko, bakit di pansin ang mga kilos ko? Dahanda lagi magbibiran ako ulit. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Kahit ang swerte ka. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So, I saw the message of Miss Abby, and I still have 15 minutes left. I think right now I have 10 minutes left because, sorry guys, because I started my live late. So, ayun. Sorry guys. Medyo hiningal. Pero thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Oh my gosh. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you guys. Okay. Thank you guys. I have 10 minutes left. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone for all the gifts. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so overwhelmed right now. Oh my gosh, magti 300 likes na. Oh my gosh, guys, number 1 tayo sa league. And daily ranking number 8. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Private Rose. Thank you so much. Salamat po, guys. Maraming salamat po. So, ayan. I think I have 10 minutes left. So, I think I have to perform another song of ML48. Someone requested Ay Takata. So, is that okay with you guys? Hinga muna. Sige, hinga muna ako mga 1 minute. Oo, naman ang hinga. Hindi ganun. Hindi ganun. Napagod ka na sumayo po? Opo. Medyo nakakapagod po. Okay. Yung kinanta ko for audition is High Tension. Pero since may dance yun, may dance ang Ay Takata, pero mas bet ko kasing kantahin ang High Tension pag may dance. Wow. King Home check na gusto mong i-center. Tsaka na yun. Pasabog. Destiny Francis ako, guys. Binabasyo na naman ako. Thank you so much, Pio for the KO. Thank you so much, guys. 300k na. When you're 300k na, tap the screen. Thank you so much, Oakcakes. Thank you so much, Oakcakes. Thank you, guys. Please follow ML48 official, guys, and please vote for me sa GF voting, and here's the TikTok. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Now I want to cry, but I need to perform. Gulat ako. I need to perform for you guys. Okay. Ay Takata, gustong makita. Ay Takata, yes! Ay Takata, gustong makita. Ay Takata, yes! Ikaw na. Para akong nagbibisikleta sa pagkitar, kahit paakyat ay di nahihinto. Para kang burol na matarik, kahit na basta ang tuktok ay marating. Namimiss na kita, hey! Sasabik na kita. Thank you, Ria! Di ka patigil makasama. Para sa iyo ako'y di nahihinto, tatakbo. Dahil ika'y gusto, di na ako susuko. Magiging totoo, di na maitatago. Dahil ika'y gusto, ako'y di na susuko. Laman ang puso ko, ipapakita na sa'yo. Ay takata, gustong makita. Ay takata, yes! Ay takata, gustong makita. Ay takata, yes! Ikaw nga. Thank you for the 400 viewers! Ha! Ha! Thank you guys, thank you so much guys. Thank you. So, ilang minutes na lang. I think we have only 5 minutes. I am not sure. But, ayun, thank you so much everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much guys. Di mag-isip pa kung ano ang sasabihin. Sa hita'y di mahalaga. Kahit na sino, basta ba aking gusto, di mahihiya, sa kanya lalapit na. Kahit na sino, basta ba aking gusto. Thank you so much! Magpa 500 viewers na tayo! Tap the screen! Dahil ika'y gusto, di na ako susuko. Magiging totoo, di na maitatago. Dahil ika'y gusto, ipang susuko. Laman ang puso ko, ipapakita na sa'yo. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Ay takata, gustong makita. Ay takata, yes! Ay takata, gustong makita. Ay takata, yes! Ikaw nga. Ay takata. Ayun. Guys, I think my time is already okay. Oh, 5 minutes to go. So I'm sorry. So I'll end by exactly 9:11. Hello to my 400 viewers. Oh my gosh. So ayun. So I'll take this moment to thank you guys. I am so sorry. Thank you, Gian. I am so sorry if hindi ko na kayo mapasalamatan lahat. I am so sorry, guys. If di ko na kayo mapasalamatan lahat, kasi hindi ko na nakikita lahat, pero maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa lahat ng nagbigay ng gifts, sa nagtap ng screen, sa mga nanood. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Zorro, for my top gifters. Thank you, Adi Pro, for my top gifters. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, everyday. Yung mga naalala ko, Body Zone, Ate Press, Ate Pro, Squeeps, Harwin, ayun, salamat po sa inyo lahat. I'm so sorry if may hindi ako na banggit. Aya, Gab, ayan, and Ate Trime, Ate Mariano, and Ate Ginger. Ayun. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry, guys. Kaya po late ako nag-live. Ay, late ako mag-end, 9:11. Kasi late din po ako nag-start. So, yan. Mag-end up po ako by 9:11. So, it's 9:10 already. I only have 1 minute to thank you all. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Thank you, Zorro. Thank you, everyone. So, thank you, O-Cakes. Thank you sa mga humahabol ng gifts. Salamat po. So, ang aking outro ay of course my catchphrase. So, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Emma Loves. Thank you so much, everyone. Again, I'm Emma48 Match, your darling what I got advice, who moves with such pies. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much, guys. I'll end the live now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please vote for me, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Screenshot nyo na. Bye-bye. 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 Thank you so much po, Zororo. Thank you for all my top gifters. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nood po kayo sa live ni Ate Wita and Ate Serena. Love you all. Thank you, Ate Miyaka. I love you, Ate Miyaka. Miyaka. I love you, Ate.
Ito. Lakas ni Marge 400 viewers. Ay, uy ba? Madami din siyang 400 viewers talaga yan si Marge, oo. 300k taps. Grabe. 500. Grabe yun. Grabe si Marge. Dami din siyang gifters. Expected na yun, guys. Okay lang yan. Pinaulanan ni Zorororo. Pinaulanan ng Galaxy. Deserve ng baby ko na yun. Dahil dyan, mag-order na. Dahil dyan, mag-order tayo ng ngayon natin gagawin. Order tayo ng ang tawag yun? Yung mic set. Buti ako nandito lang. Ganun ang background. Thank you. Nabili mo yun, yes, maroon. Yun sana yung susunin ko kanina sa live. Kaso pangit siya kasi parang ang init. Ang like, it's not ganun. At dahil dyan, bibili natin yung mic set. Magkano yun? Tingnan muna natin kung magkano. Sound card pala. Dapat maging loyal kayo sa akin eh. Yan kayo eh. Download muna tayo ng Lazada. Ay, sorry po. Maybe. Dahil dyan, I love you, TikTok. Basta daw talaga si Riri. Hindi. Yung bibilin ko lang naman yung sound card para may panglaban na tayo. Para may panglaban na tayo mga oniriri. Set up muna natin. Set up muna natin yung bibili tayo ng sound card para may panglaban yung mga oniriri. Tama. Ano to? Ayoko mag-spin. Siguro ay gusto ko makita. Bibili tayo ng sound card para may panglaban na tayo.